Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to use the Templates Manager application. As you see, I am in a document library here called Documents. There's a button there called Template, which allows me to pick one of the templates that have been published within your organization. So I simply click this button here and get a dialog here where it's searching for all the templates within my organization. I can go through the different categories of templates that are available. I can hover over a template and see the description of it. I can search and find, for example, if I search for letterhead, there you see I have the modern letterhead, the personal letterhead, and the cover letter. So now I can simply create a document based on that and give it a new file name, letter to a customer, and then I simply click OK there, and now you see it's creating a template based on that. And in SharePoint Online, I do get right into that template and can start working on it. As you see, it's named and placed correctly. Let's go back to shared documents here, the document library, and I'll show you how it works in Docs Classic, the classic modes of a document library. As you see, I don't see the button here, but under Files and New Document there, I have the Templates Manager there. That redirects me to a template picker page, which does exactly the same thing, where I can search, I can select, and I could just call that test, and OK. And then it redirects. And SharePoint On-Premise in 2013 to SharePoint Subscription Edition, then you don't get that redirect. That is only in SharePoint Online, but otherwise it works exactly the same in all versions of SharePoint. Thank you for watching this demonstration.